So on this, I just put all the thermal glue on here. This is the graphite foil sheet that I'm going to put on this side, and then the other side's a piece of copper. I already have that side glued, just a copper sheet. And this will be the assembly of the thermal solar array. There, now it's assembled. Wires connected. Now I just gotta test it out in the sun, see how it goes. Probably gonna need a heat sink on the copper side for it to cool, otherwise it'll probably get hot. But this side is perfect for what I need. Next up is to test it. Alright, so it's now getting heat from the sun. And we're making some voltage. There's 12 of those TEGs in parallel, or in series, I mean. So we'll see how high this gets. I have no heat sink on the back, so it's just a bare piece of copper on the back. And I can feel the temperature difference already. So yeah, just from blocking it went down. But now that it's back in direct sunlight, it's heating back up and generating power again. So on this side, I flipped it to the copper side just to see the difference. And it's going up. Just gonna see where it goes for this side. Got to about a volt on the carbon side. So now the copper side it doesn't absorb as much heat, but it also is more reflective, so that's another problem. But if I painted it black, it probably would work better. But the whole point is to see what the difference is between graphite and copper. So now I'll flip this back over. Clearly you can see that it's absorbing more sunlight for sure. And pretty quick. Alright, I'm going to stop it for now and then come back to it and see where it's sitting at. I don't know, I don't think it can get really any higher than a volt because the temperature difference starts to balance out between the two, because the copper can only cool off so much. I don't have a heat sink on it. So that'll be the next thing to do, is put a heat sink on the back side.